In this video, we'll go over how to input field data when using the mobile field app. Starting at the project home screen, you'll see a list of sample locations. To start collecting data at a specific sample location, you will click the desired location, which will take you to that sample location summary screen. This screen has various functionality, most of which is summarized in separate tutorial videos. To start collecting both form data and field data, click the Start Sampling button at the center bottom of the screen. For most data collection and sampling scenarios, the next screen will be the elevation page. This is where you will input field data related to water elevation and general weather conditions for that sample location. The first entry field is a depth to product box. If this sample location has a measurable free product thickness, this is where you will enter the measured depth to the top of that product. If there is no free product identified, simply leave the field blank. The next box to the right is where you enter your measured depth to water. Next, you can enter your optional depth to the bottom of the sample location or well, if desired. If you have a measured depth of product and depth of water, your product thickness will be automatically calculated. The next section has to do with current weather conditions at the time of data collection. Enter the data in each field that is most appropriate to the current conditions at the time of sampling. Please note that this weather information will repeat automatically at the next sample location to save time on data entry. However, if conditions change, this information can be edited to accurately reflect the conditions at each location. At the bottom of the screen is an optional Comments or Notes section. You can enter any comments or notes or describe unusual conditions related to the sample location in that box. Once information on the elevation page is completed, click the Continue button on the bottom right-hand side and it will take you to the next step in your data and sample collection process. The next steps, including custom forms, low flow calculator, and chain of custody, are covered in other tutorial videos.